Okay. And of course, the cat is on the box.
Yes. So here we are unboxing a Scud Legend 1 horsepower wheel. Brand new. Let's see. The first thing I might need to do is find some scissors.
In the
One
desk.
moment.
In the meantime, you can watch the cat wrestle the box.
Are you going to help me open it there, Nix? There we go. Yes, the warning on there is 128 pounds.
Getting that into the car was fun. Actually, it was because they used a forklift.
Nix?
He goes, "Don't worry, I won't hurt your car." And I go, "Just want to watch. This looks kind of
Yeah.
cool." And he goes, "Oh, okay." Well,
Okay, that's one side. And of course, the cat tries to crawl into the box immediately. Nix, move your butt. Whoop. Okay, then she moves.
This is an even better view. I'm standing on the stairs, so I'm higher.
That's a nice piece of foam. Let's save that for shipping things.
Good packing materials.
Okay. Hey kitties, I have packing paper for
Ooh, nice, shiny, new, clean
you.
wheel.
Oh, I know. Yeah, look good.
Won't last
look good,
long.
Everybody. It'll never be that clean again.
Yeah.
Okay. I could tip the box on its side.
Or you could use a box cutter and cut the box open. Because you'll have to flatten it anyways.
Yeah.
Because we're not keeping the box.
No. Where did I set those scissors down?
They're right there.
Okay, thank you.
They're right there.
These are good boxes.
After setting up for the Highland Games, we had to pick up the wheel and take it home. Well, it was like half an hour away from where the
It was
games
a
were.
half hour before. Because we were going to be going over there anyways for getting new tools. Okay. And you stood on my scissors.
Oh, I'm sorry. Trying to get, a good view of this here, so it's kind
Want
of...
me just, going all barbarian on the box? There. Ooh.
It would have cost a lot to have it delivered, so,
I'm also just trying to decide
We're good.
how the packaging works.
Oh, I know.
And make sure I don't tread on any of those giant staples.
Yeah, considering you're barefoot,
Yeah.
you're gonna want that packing material anyways.
Yes. Okay. All right. Now, obviously, we can just lift this out of there. Yeah, look at this motor.
Yeah. Nice. Awesome. Whoa, be careful.
And this part is,
Well, the wheel head comes off.
yes. There we go.
Check that out.
Just pull.
So you can clean the basin.
So the basin can come off and get cleaned.
Cleaning underneath the wheel head has never been a fun job.
There's the operating manual. Oh, yes, we'll have to install its pat pins.
Yeah. The bat pins on the other one. rusted in place years ago.
Yeah, they don't come back off.
Yeah. Hence the fact that it was a 20-year-old wheel.
Okay, actually, what we're gonna need to do is, you guys are gonna look at the ceiling for a moment while we lift this out of its packaging. Okay.
Hi. Either that or looking right up my nose, one or the other.
Well, we'll find out after we're done.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so that is now unboxed. Now I take it. Actually, you know what? It might be easier to put it in its spot
Yeah.
without that on.
Now we have to move this way.
Okay. That goes that way.
But I've worn down the motor and everything on. It's good for cups or plates.
Here. Oh, you could sit on the stool over there for right now. Behind you, over by the desk.
Okay, so if I just set it right.
Now let me check the view. Yeah, pretty good. Yes, there. Now it's sitting on the desk.
Okay. Both be the picture. Only because this way we can both
Move the stuff.
in the wheel.
Because moving a wheel is not a one-person task, at least not for people our size. And I will unplug the kiln for a bit, not the kiln, unplug the wheel, because, not that it isn't going to get put right back in over there, but. Okay, let me get the tack tray up underneath. Oh, wait, let me pick up
This
the
one only weighs 70 pounds, by the way.
empty,
And
clean.
Of which it is not.
Okay, that's the light end. So we're gonna pick it up, go forward, then you're gonna have to go butt first into the corner.
Yes.
I do that end and go backwards, except for the fact that
That's fine.
oh, it actually went easier than I feared. There we go. And we'll get him better situated in a little bit.
Oh, yeah, there's plenty of room.
Yeah.
I'm going, my God, is it really gonna be big enough? But it is. It is fine.
We measured and
We
remeasured
measured.
things.
But
Okay, so, once again, you get the round end.
Trace it in with.
Oh God, I think one of the reasons why this one's heavier, oh yes, that's the metal, is the fact that the base of this one is not plastic. This part feels like cast iron to me. Whew.
And
Oh, and you know what? No drips downspout on the wheel head. I don't have it. It just goes in the basin, goes in the tray. So don't, hey beasts.
it's also, something, a good reason to keep it clean.
Yes. So, yeah,
Ta-da.
that is the depth of your basin. It will fill up, and we have to bear that in mind.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, and before we
Yeah.
put this part on, we should install back pins.
Yeah. Here. I'm not sure whether.
Yeah,
no.
no. No, I was about to say, trying to bring the camera back over. Operating manual. Yeah, we'll look at that later.
Back pins. Because it'll be a lot easier to put on since the, it screws to right
Oh.
back there.
That's not a good angle because,
I know, but I was just showing. Here. Boop, boop.
and if you notice, here, look through the camera. The nuts on these are actually plastic, so they won't rust in place.
You think that may have been
An issue? Okay. Because they seem to have nylon nuts now.
much better idea.
Yeah. That's one. They even provided the inevitable Allen wrench.
Yeah. Oh, look.
This the Allen wrench does
Yay,
not
paw
go to
prints.
this. I don't know what the Allen wrench goes to. Yep, paw prints. Did I get it in place on the first try? Yes, I did.
Well, there we go.
There we go. And I think it might be a little taller here. I will move.
Whoop.
Switch camera person again here. It's so shiny.
Don't worry, it won't mess. Yeah, I think it is.
Well, if nothing else, I can always put on basically right.
Oh, it's so shiny.
I can see your reflection in it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here, lean closer to the wheel head. Yes, I can see your face. I can see the pattern on your shirt.
Well, if I have to, I'd have, taller stool.
Yeah. I just need to add blocks to its feet.
Add feet to it.
Yeah. Just add feet. It'll be fine.
It'll be fine.
Other than that, okay. What I'm gonna do is hand this back to you for a moment. Ooh, inside of your hand.
So
There we go. And because we still need to unbox the foot pedal. And that'll be like the rest of the cord in there. Where did I leave the, there they are, there are the scissors. Ugh, hands are just
Yeah.
tired from everything in a few days.
Clean. Dirty. Clean. Dirty. Oh, but until this gets clay on it sitting forward, the light kind of reflects off of it quite a bit. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something about that.
I know, if I just opened the other side of the box, it would have been fine. Okay. And
There we go.
there's the pedal.
Yeah,
Get the giant twist
which is
tie
also
off the
higher
cord.
up. Well, maybe not by much.
Just gotta plug it in.
Okay.
Okay.
And where's
Now.
the power switch?
Still in the same basic place. Oh, listen to that. It's so much quieter.
Check that out.
Nice. Now, should I? Oh, how smooth that speed is. But what we will do is save the first throwing for another video.
Yes.
Say bye, Agatha.